Boston. Hi. Welcome. Hello, who are you?
Hello, my name is Olena Utai. I'm from Republic of Sakha-Yakutia. It's a northern east in Russia.
Okay, why did you audition for the show?
I want to share my culture with all the world.
Okay, well, I'm not going to ask you what you're going to do, Elena, but good luck.
Thank you.
Go, girl. Whoa, boy! Whoa, boy!